How many of us are blockchain developer here? Blockchain developer? No one. Okay. Are you a developer? Maybe front end, back end, product design. Okay, we have that. All right. So today I'll be talking about introduction to Quicknode. But before I dive into introduction to Quicknode, do we agree that blockchain data is all public? Did we agree that it's all public? Like everything on blockchain data, like you can see everything on the internet. You agree that we can see it? Sir? There is what?
It's decentralized.
It's decentralized. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think he has already done this for me. So my agenda today is I'll be talking about blockchain data, why it is hard, and I'll be talking about the common solution where I have the Node API, which is RPC, and at the same time I have enhanced API, I have subgraphs, and I have custom indexes. The last thing I'll be talking about here is the blockchain ETL that doesn't suck. Yeah, this section is going to be like more of storytelling. Yeah, I don't like it's not. I won't be talking like maybe anything that's going to be complex like that, or I won't be writing any code also. I will be telling story. Like, okay, this guy here, meet Chad. Chad the Dejin. We all know what Dejin is, right? Dejin is an individual that participates in a volatile activities like a prediction. They invest their money in any meme's coin. Like if they see, okay, Davido, for example, the last time that Davido launched his coin, those activities, anyone that participates in those activities, like you buy Davido's coin, just know you are a Dejin. Because you don't know anything about that coin specifically. Just put your money there, waiting for it to pump up, then remove your money. You get the point? So, Chad is a crypto investor, NFT grinder, and airdrop farmer, and overall Web3 enjoyer. Chad has been making a lot of money being a Dejin. Yeah, I have another thing here, which is the blockchain data. Chad was right about what he was doing. He's very happy with what he has been doing. Can you see? He said, I don't struggle with blockchain data. The reason why Chad doesn't struggle with blockchain data is because he knows he has a lot of access to information. And you know, the tech world right now is, if you don't have access to enough information, you'll be like, what you are doing is not right. Right? But Chad is very, like, you know what he's doing. So yeah, I have permissionless. We all agree that blockchain data is permissionless, right? And we all agree that it's public. But you now know that blockchain data is public but not accessible. I don't know how you want to do it. Blockchain data is not accessible. The only thing that you can have access to is the node. That's the only thing that you can see. Is the node. Okay, I've thought about this. Wait. Okay, yeah. Chad was trying to let you guys know that since it's not accessible, but he as a Dejin and he has a lot of experience in NFT grinder and farming a lot of things, doing airdrop. So what Chad used to do mostly is that whenever there is an airdrop, Chad can send like 1,000 messages to different Discord channel. And at the same time, Chad has more than 1,000, I'll put it this way, have more than, 100 crypto wallets. And at the same time, Chad has access to send different type of token to these wallets in 24 hours, more than 1,000 times. Are you getting my point? Are you guys confused? Okay. The reason why Chad was able to do this, that's what I'm going to talk about today. Like, how can you send crypto to 1,000 wallets within like maybe 5 minutes or 1 minute, less than that? You can do that. It's very, very easy. So now the next thing I have here is what Chad mostly uses is it consumes an API. You all know what API is. And the meaning of API is you can call it RPC. What RPC is remote procedure call. Remote procedure call is just like a workstation. Like they have already helped you to build this. The company, I'll put it this way. Maybe the platform you are using, they have already helped you to create an API. If you are a developer, maybe you are working on a store project where you want to fetch, instead of you using your computer to fetch products. Okay, this person want to buy grocery. So you are now uploading products one after the other every day. Once you sort out the products, the next day you go there again, go and upload it manually. Like, does that really make sense? So for a developer to solve that, you already know that there should be an API to solve this problem for you, where you just consume the API, then everything is going to start working for you very effectively. Work with an API, which is RPC. So, and you all know API is very low cost. If you are consuming an API, they can be charging you like maybe 0.1 naira per call. Some platform will charge you 0.2 naira. Some will use 5 naira, depending on the type of API you are trying to consume. So, and another thing is there is a Web 2 app that's very fast that Chad used to make use, which is Quicknode. So what Chad used to do is just